Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. You're kind of far away there, but that's because I had to back my camera up because the orientation of this art that I'm going to do is going the long ways. Now, I will turn it when I'm putting my base coat down, but then I'm going to put it back into this position. So I hope you guys can see me okay. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm not sure if I said that or not. This is a 15 by 30 gallery wrapped canvas, and I am doing this for me. I have a spot in my bathroom that I need a piece of art on, and I'm a very neutral girl, and I like my negative space. So I'm really excited about this. Let's talk about our colors. Our base coat is going to be yummy. Our base coat is going to be two colors. On the bottom part is going to be my High Flow Artist Loft Black. And on the upper part is going to be my Golden Fluid Acrylics Iridescent Bronze. I've been out of this fella for a while, and I just got this big old bottle in on sale, and so I am so excited to use it. Let's take a look at this. Actually, I lied to you guys. This is not my bronze. This is my base coat, which is the Rust-Oleum. And I think this is the champagne. I don't know if you remember correctly, but I got a couple bottles in and one busted open. So I had to put it into this container. But that is the Rust-Oleum. So we have the Artist Loft Black, the Rust-Oleum. I think it's the champagne color on the top, which looks like satin sheets. It's just so pretty. I'm going to be doing a swipe. I'm going to be doing a minimal swipe. And our swiping colors today are going to be my Golden Iridescent Bronze. Boy, that's a big reach. I'm kind of a short lady, and that's a big reach for me because I'm way down here, guys. So that is one of our swiping colors. We also have this DecoArt Metallics, and this is the Rich Expresso. And we have, for good luck, our Golden Iridescent Pearl. What else do I have here? Oh, some more of my Artist Loft Black. And I also have this Golden Iridescent Copper, which is beyond yummy, guys. I'm just not sure if I'm going to use it, and if I do, I'm going to use very, very little of it. What I did is I have this empty DecoArt bottle with this DecoArt writer's tip, is what they're called, on Amazon on top, and I put this paint in here. So if you see me whip this out, that's the Golden Iridescent Copper in it. And then this is a little bit of a wider tip. These are available at Amazon too, and they have different size tips that go on the end that allow a thin flow, a medium flow, a high flow. This one's a medium flow, and what's in this bottle right here is my Golden Iridescent Bronze. So if I want to get kind of thin lines going on, which that's the plan, I will use those applicators. What else? Oh, so exciting. I wish it had gotten here 20 minutes ago, but about 2 minutes ago, I received a box in the mail, and I am so very excited. Leslie, thank you so much. These are the new Color Art Prism Pours. And I'm already good to go here, or I would have whipped these babies out. Let me show you. This is the Varnished Copper, and I can't wait to dive into these guys. Look at that yummy, yummy, gorgeous color. Leslie Olmsted, you rock my world, girl. Let's take a look at this one. This is the Egyptian coin, which I'm also very, very excited about. Be still my heart, guys, right? Is that too cool? Guys, there is in the description box the link that tells you how to go and purchase these. I saw Sweet Tammy Anderson use them. She got them before any of us, and I immediately reached out to ColorArt, to Sweet Leslie, who is always there to answer questions, and said, give me some of those, girl. This is the Blazing Bronze. Oh my goodness. I don't want to make a mess, but look at that. Can you see that shimmer, guys? This is so creamy. It's like soft butter. And I got one more to share with you. And then these are probably going to be part of my next pour. This is, ooh, Hot Orchid. I am seeing these for the first time as well, guys. Oh my God. Can you see that, guys? Oh, Leslie, I want to come hang out with you, girl. There we go. So guys, stay tuned because we will be using these beautiful babies, and I am very, very excited. Prism Pour, ColorArt, Leslie Olmsted. Thank you, Leslie. Guys, I'm going to put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me, and we're going to get busy. Glad you joined me.
by the door. Meet all my challenges and search for my